If you sell physical products, I'm going to show you how to build an AI sheets. So here's the Google Sheet. As you can see, I've got a few items. Each has an ID, quantity, a category, a price, all that kind of thing. So I've got 20 of the MacBooks left. If I just open the chatbot and say, I've sold 5 MacBooks. Can you adjust the quantity? Can you adjust accordingly? Then that 20 has been adjusted to 15. I can also say, can you change the price of a MacBook to $1,900. And there we go, the price adjusts. Now I've demonstrated it for you. Let me show you how I built it. So start with the chat trigger. There's a chatbot that connects to an AI agent. I've given it the system message. You are a helpful AI assistant for handling inventory. You have access to an inventory spreadsheet in Google Sheets. You can create, read, edit, and delete entries. Use the AI chat model 4.1 mini. I've given it simple memory so it can refer back to previous questions, and then I've just given it 2 Google Sheet nodes. We've got an update here, append or update row, connected it to the right Google Sheet. I've asked it to map each column manually, and then each of these just be defined automatically by the model. And then the other one is read entries, get rows. So I can ask questions, so it can retrieve information from the Google Sheet. And that really is it. Nice and simple one. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you're looking to have a custom n8n automation for your business, I have a calendar link. So yeah, you can call me. But yeah, thank you very much.